Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Suyog. In this video, we will see how Matplotlib is useful in computer vision. We have to write some basic of code and import some libraries like CV2 library and Matplotlib library. This is the code which we already discussed in a previous video. The link of the previous video is in description box. These two lines of code used to show image in Matplotlib. Images consist of RGB colors. PLT reads blue, green and then red color, so this image is different than the original one. Now we need to give this command so PLT can read image in RGB sequence and we get our original image. If you don't want to show x and y axis, then this code will be useful. plt.xtick removes x-axis and plt.ytick removes y-axis, and we get this image. Let's see which are the different libraries used to intern conversion of a color plane. In this code we used to find a library which start from color RGB2 and we print these keywords one by one. These are the some keywords which are start from color RGB2. Now we will see pseudo color scheme to image plots. This is the second image which we already read on the top of the code. Here it is. This is the original image which is in RGB format. Now we will see the grayscale image which is converted into RGB to gray format. Now we will see what are color maps and their codes. Firstly, we will see hot C map, which is color map which increase the temperature of color and hotness of image. This is the image using hot CMap, and this is using summer CMap. You can use different CMap. If you find any point which is useful, then like, share and subscribe to my channel.
If you like our content, then like the video, subscribe to our channel Code with Suyog, and also share to your friends. Thanks for watching.